If there is anything you know how to do, you have a knowledge, skill, or talent, then you need to create a Fiverr account and get people from different parts of the world pay you for your service. Fiverr is a freelancing site that allows you to work from the comfort of your home. And being a freelancer is the easiest way to make money online today. You get to work from the comfort of your home and get people from different parts of the world pay you for your knowledge and your skills. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Fiverr account in 2022. Step-by-step guide. Being a freelancer is one of the easiest way to make money online in 2022. So I'll take you to my laptop screen and show you how to do that. To create an account on Fiverr, all you need is click on the first link in the description of this video or the link in the first comment of the video, and it will bring you to this place. Here are popular gigs. It gives you an idea of the kind of gig you can create today and have a lot of offers because there's high demand. The first one is website design, WordPress, logo design, and the rest of them. Now, to sign up as a freelancer on Fiverr, all you need is come over here and click on join. It opens for you to supply your details. Now, you can sign up with Facebook, Google, and the rest of them, but I'll advise you sign up with your email address. So click on this place and supply your email address. The next is to click on continue. Now, over here, you are required to choose a username. While choosing your username, you want to choose that carefully. That's because you cannot change your username. You want to use a name that corresponds to the niche you target. If, for example, you want to be a transcriptionist, you want to use keywords that suggest to people at a glance that you are a transcriptionist. So go on and choose a username. Then the next is to choose a password. The password must be at least 8 characters, and you need to combine uppercase and lowercase and even numbers to be accepted. Then once you select the password, click on join. Now we have a Fiverr account, but we need to activate it. All you need to do is come over here and click on this button here. And when it opens, click on profile. So if you look at this now, it says you need to activate your account. So Fiverr has sent an email to the email address you used in creating this account. So you'll need to go over there and activate your Fiverr account. I'm going to open the email address here and show you that. So if you come over here, you can see the email address that says activate your account. So I'm going to open it. You say you are almost there. Just confirm your email address. You've successfully created a Fiverr account. To activate it, please click below to verify your email address. Click on activate your account. It brings us to this place. Account has been activated. The next step would be to update the profile so we can create gigs and start taking orders from customers. So you click on this. Let's look at the profile here. So you open the profile. This is the account. The next thing would be to supply all the necessary information required, like your profile picture. The next thing you want to do is come over here and click on this and scroll down to this place and click on this button that says become a seller. So if you click on this, it's going to open for us to sign up. Come over here again and click on become a seller. Brings us to this place. Say ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here's the breakdown. Now, one thing I love about Fiverr is that it gives you a full tutorial. Everything you need to know to sign up successfully is contained on the website. So if you scroll down here, you are going to see a bunch of information that will guide you on where to start. Here are some of the things you need to know. Learn what makes a successful profile. So you're going to read all of these things to find out what actually makes you stand out on Fiverr. Here's the truth. There are a lot of other people offering same service you are about to offer. So you want to stand out in order to get a lot of offers. The next one says create your seller profile. The last one says publish your gig. So we click on continue. Every information you need to create a functional account is given to you at no cost. So all you need to do is just go through all of these. First one says take your time in creating your profile so it's exactly as you want it to be. Then add credibility by linking out to your relevant professional networks. This one says accurately describe your professional skills to help you get more works. Put a face to your name. Now, this is very important. You want to put up a profile picture that looks nice and professional too. You should also put up a smile on the picture to make it welcoming. This way, people easily connect with you and they are open to paying for your services. And the last one says to keep our community secure for everyone, we may ask you to verify your ID. Okay, once you go through all of this, you click on continue and it's going to bring us to the next page. Now let's talk about the things you want to steer clear of. There are a number of things you need to avoid. First is providing any misleading or inaccurate information about your identity. Opening duplicate account. Remember, you can always create more gigs. So opening duplicate account is actually not acceptable on Fiverr. You can create as many gigs as you want. So soliciting other community members for work on Fiverr is also not acceptable. And requesting to take the communication and payment outside of Fiverr is also not acceptable. You want to live by the rules so you don't have issues along the way. So click on continue. And it brings us to this place. This is personal information. Tell us a bit about yourself. The first is your name. You want to put your name here. You scroll down to profile picture. You want to add profile picture. Like I said, make it a professional looking picture. So this will attract customers to you and you get to sell more of your gigs. So we're going to click on this to select a profile picture. You can always change your profile picture much later. So it's uploading. You already have a profile picture. Next will be to scroll down and add description. Now here you are meant to share a bit about your work experience, cool project you've completed, and your area of expertise. So in order not to make the video long, I already have something written that I just copied and pasted it here. And then let's scroll down. The next one would be your language. So go on and select which languages you can communicate in and your proficiency level. So go on here and select the language you want. I'm going to go on and put English language. Select your proficiency level. If you want to select fluent, click on continue. The next step is professional information. This is your time to shine. Let potential buyers know what you do best, how you gain your skills, certifications, and experience. So you quickly want to tell us what you do here. You are into digital marketing, graphic designs, and writing and translation, all of that. So select the one you can do here. So just go on and select as many as you can handle here. Tick 5 of these options here. 5 of them that you are good at. So come over here and tell us the year you started. So I'm going to scroll down here and select the year, like the year you graduated. So you can add more occupations here. And the next will be your skills. So you want to list the skills related to the services you are offering and add your experience level too. So click on this and select the skill. Over here and put your experience level. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or you're an expert in that field? Go on and select the one. If you have more than one skills, you can click on this add here and add another one. Next is education. Add any relevant education details that will help customers to know you better. So you put your education details here. Okay, supply the name of the school and then the course you took there and then click on enter. You can also go on and add more to that if you have more than one. The next is certification. Include any certificates or awards that are relevant to the services you are offering. Whatever nature of the certificate, go on here and add it here. Boost your profile and makes you look like a professional. Attract customers that will pay you for your service. Put the name of the institution that gave you the certificate. Then you go on to select the year. You can add as many as you want. Last one is your personal website. It says include a link to your personal website or portfolio with your work examples. So you can use your personal website if you have one. You can also use your YouTube channel if you have one. So I'm going to put my YouTube channel link and then click on continue. Next is linked accounts. Taking the time to verify and link your account can upgrade your credibility and help Fiverr to provide you with more business. Linking account will help boost your profile because it's a proof that you are real and genuine. So go on and link your accounts. Simply connects you to all the things you do here. Once you're done linking those relevant accounts, click on continue. And next is account security. You are meant to verify your email address and your phone number. And you remember, we've already verified the email address. And the next would be to add your phone number to finish up. So you're going to click on this to add your phone number. Sorry, I'm going to cover this because it's private. Once you do that, you click on verify by SMS or by call. So I'm going to select verify by SMS and expect them to send me an SMS to confirm this. Let's wait for the code to arrive. Code has been sent to me. I'm going to go on now and supply it. Then click on submit code. All right, say verification complete. Your phone number was verified successfully. Thank you. So you click on OK and we are good to go. The next would be to select a security question, answer it. So go on and select any questions you want here and supply the answer. Click on finish and we are good to go. Verification complete. Your phone number was verified successfully. Thank you. Everything is perfect. Okay, so come over here and click on finish. So it says your seller profile is all set. Now go ahead and create your first gig to start selling your services. You can edit your profile information anytime. If you scroll down here, you have free online courses you can take. Free online courses to become a successful seller on Fiverr. You would want to go through this course and see how it helps you. So click on done and our seller account is ready. The next would be to create gigs. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how to create Fiverr gigs, how to be an online friend and get paid $20 for just chatting with people for 1 hour or two. We talk about different things you can do, how you are going to set up the gig, optimize your gigs to get a lot of offers in no time. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you've not watched how to make money on Fiverr, here are videos where I talked about how you can be an online friend, chat with people for 1 hour and get paid between $5 to $40. I also talked about 2 simple ways you can make money on Fiverr. If you want me to create a video on how to create gigs on Fiverr, drop the comment in the comment section, and if I have a lot of requests, I'm going to publish the next video on how to create gigs on Fiverr.